Is now in its 40th day.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is an awesome radio. Yes, this is really a nice radio. I've had it on my wish list for quite a while, but the picture on Amazon, I don't know, it was something about it just kind of looked kind of cheesy. I don't know, so I hesitated, but my good friend Thomas bought this for me and sent it to me. This is from Jazmm. It's the model A22, and it's AM, FM. Let me turn the volume down here. Shortwave and weather band. It does not have Bluetooth. It does have a music player and nice big screen here, which I complain a lot of times because I like to have the backlight stay on. This is so bright and contrasty, even with the backlight off, that I can read it across the room. And I'm 100 years old. Awesome. I love that display. It has ATS, the scan button right here. Each of the bands, except for the weather band, has 40 memory channels. And then a lot of these keys are multifunction. Let me set my notes down and bring it up close so you can see. There they are. So at the top row, you got the number 3 key is also for like selecting the memory mode, the stations that were stored during scan. The 4 and 5 are to go through the memory locations. The button here is for putting in a direct frequency, direct tuning. 6 key is used to lock the other keys. The 7 key is to cycle you through the meter bands on shortwave. The 8 key is used for selecting stereo. I'm going to set it down. It's getting heavy. This is a mono single speaker, but the earphone output is in stereo if you select it. The next button is for the sleep timer. This is the ATS scan button. This is for turning on weather band alerts or deleting one of the memories that's been set up. It has a tone control, high and low. Didn't see a lot of difference between the two settings, but it was noticeable. And it has 2 sources of power. It either has room for 4 D cells, or it has a built-in lithium battery, and the lithium battery is 4,000 milliamp hours. So I don't know if that's 2 lithium batteries in parallel or 1, but 4,000 is a lot for a lithium battery. Going back to the shortwave band goes from 4.75 to 21.85. Now, this is something I don't understand, and I'm sure there's a reasonable explanation for it. Why on these portable radios doesn't the shortwave band extend beyond like what I just talked about, 4.75 to 21.85? Most of these portable radios have that narrowed shortwave band. I don't know if it's something in the electronics that you go below 4.75 or above 21.85, it's noisy, or if it's something in the regulations of building a radio. I don't know, but I wish they'd go down at least to 3 megahertz and up to the CB band up to close to 29 megahertz, but they don't. It does use a DSP chip, but it doesn't appear to mute when tuning. Let me try it. Now, right now, I just checked. the shortwave band conditions are terrible. The A index, let me see, I've got it up here. A index is a 36. We want it to be 5 or less, so we're not going to get anything on shortwave. So we're going to go to shortwave anyway. So we got mode select, either radio or music player, and band select here. These are used to go through the the files on your music card. Oh, card goes right here, either the TF card or USB headphone jacks. This is on, off, and volume, not tuning. That's a little cumbersome for me, being old school. I like a tuning knob just because I'm 100 years old. Okay, what was I going to do? Oh, I was going to try. I don't remember why. Oh, I don't want to change mode. I want to change band. There's AM, shortwave. And I forgot what I was going to try. So somebody remind me of what I was going to do. Oh, I was going to show you the tuning. I'll let you listening to the tuning. So let's turn the volume up. So you can direct tune using the keypad, or you can go up and down using these keys. So I guess that's why, let me turn this down. I guess that's why I didn't notice muting while tuning, because you're not really analog tuning, you're digital tuning with this button or these buttons. And you do hear a hesitation. But because you're using these buttons, you don't notice the hesitation muting while tuning. That's why. We can direct tune, hit the frequency button, punch in the number, like 5 megahertz. Frequency, there's 5 megahertz. Absolutely nothing on it right now. Unbelievably bad. I did a scan on all the bands, and the medium wave band did pretty good. It wasn't exceptional. Again, conditions could be not too good. I don't know. FM band was very good. It used 32 memory locations of the 40. Now, there is a possibility of receiving a maximum of 43 FM stations within 40 miles of my location. That's best case. They got 32, 33. Not too bad. Okay, let me look at my notes because I don't have a good memory. As I mentioned, no Bluetooth. Oh, right now, as of this recording, this is on sale on Amazon for $38. It's normally $43. I haven't put it in my store, but I definitely will because I really like this radio. Sound is really good. What else? I mentioned the 2 power supplies, MP3 music player with 2 tone. Let me try the 2 tones. Let it go to mode. Let it play an MP3 file. These are from the free YouTube library. Lots of bass. Yeah, it's on low right now. Low, high. Yeah, you can tell a difference. Not significant. Go to another track. Yeah, this track's no good. Sound is awesome. Low, high. Yeah. So I guess I guess what I notice is when you go to high, you do get more high frequency sound. Low, maybe you get a little more bass. I would leave it on. Well, it's your preference. I don't care. All right, we'll go on. Gee whiz. As a sleep timer, and it has in their ad, it says it has advanced after sales. And let me read this. It says, by the way, we offer 12 months warranty on our radios and provide you 24/7 world-class customer service. This transistor radio is a great gift for home elders like me. I mean, I'm a senior elder, family, and friends. I don't have many of those. So, it also reminds you that when you go to NOAA weather alert, the alerts are not automatically turned on. Even if you had them on before, you have to turn them on again, which is a good thing. I got one more page of notes here. Okay, that's just turning alerts off. That's all my notes. Like I say, I really like this radio. Nice display. There's a battery condition over here. And I'm not sure what that's saying up there. Let me see the manual. It's got a nice little manual, too. Look at the manual here. What the display is. Number 6. Oh, it says that the SD card is being used right now. That's what it is. And it has other things it displays up here. Let me show you a picture of it. There's all these possible displays. There's a sleep timer on. There's lock function on, whether it's kilohertz or megahertz. What band it's in. Pretty nice radio. I think it's well worth the price because the quality is really good. Got a carrying handle. The telescopic antenna, I wrote that down someplace, is 24 inches. And it does swivel. You do have to play the little game where you put the telescopic antenna down. If you want to do this, you have to put it down. Then you put the handle down. Then you put the telescopic antenna up. And like I say, it does swivel. Pretty nice. I think you ought to get yourself one of these. And I want to thank Thomas for getting it for me. He got this radio for me. And I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.